Adding FAQs to Levelup. As an admin on Levelup, you can add frequently asked questions to help fellow users with their doubts that they might have about the system, the courses, policies, or anything else. To add FAQs, log on to your Levelup admin account and click on the FAQ icon on the sidebar menu. You will be redirected to the FAQ page. Here you will see the list of all published FAQs. Click on a question to reveal its answer. To add a new question, click on Create New. In the Create FAQ page, you will need to enter the title, which will be the question. In the description field below, type in the answer to the question. You can add links or code snippets as well. To give it additional visibility, you can switch on the toggle beside Is Featured to make it a featured FAQ. Once you are done, click on Save as Draft. Review the question and its answer. If you are satisfied with it, you can click on Publish to make it accessible to your users. You can also click on Save as Draft and work on it later. Not satisfied with it at all? Click on the trash icon to delete the FAQ and start afresh. To edit or delete an FAQ, click on the View All button on the FAQ page. You will get a list of published as well as draft FAQs. Click on the vertical ellipses beside the question you want to edit or delete and then choose Edit. You will be redirected to the Edit FAQ page, from where you can edit the FAQ and delete it altogether. This is how easy it is to add an FAQ on Levelup. Do not forget to check out our other tutorial videos to use the Levelup platform like a pro.